The term dark side of the moon is a bit of a misnomer. The moon doesn't have a permanently dark side. Instead, it has a far side. Both the near side and the far side of the moon receive sunlight during different parts of the lunar cycle. However, the far side of the moon is often referred to as the dark side because it is not visible from Earth due to a phenomenon called tidal locking. Tidal locking occurs when the gravitational forces between two celestial bodies cause one side of an orbiting object to always face the other. As a result, the far side of the moon is constantly facing away from Earth. The far side of the moon has been explored to some extent by various spacecraft. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission successfully landed a rover called Yutu-2 on the far side of the moon, making it the first mission to achieve a soft landing on that side. The mission has provided valuable data and images of the far side, including the von Karman crater and the South Pole Aitken Basin. In terms of what is physically on the far side of the moon, it consists of similar features to those on the near side, such as craters, plains, and mountains. It is generally believed that the far side has a thicker crust and more rugged terrain compared to the near side, which has more extensive maria, dark, basaltic plains. Since the far side of the moon is shielded from radio interference from Earth, it also offers a unique location for radio astronomy. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission deployed a low-frequency radio spectrometer on the far side, taking advantage of the lack of human-made radio signals to study low-frequency cosmic phenomena. In summary, the dark side of the moon refers to the far side, which is not permanently dark but faces away from Earth. It shares similar features with the near side, and recent missions have provided valuable information about its geology and potential for scientific exploration.